Hi guys, did you know that Forex market tends to trade over $7 trillion daily? Yes, they actually do. And the crazy part is that anyone can learn those Forex trading, even beginners like you, as far you know the right basics. So join me in a few minutes and I will show you and teach you the right basics. Let's go.
What is Forex? So let's first of all start with the basics. Forex is short for foreign exchange. It's simply the market where currencies are bought and sold. Imagine traveling abroad, you exchange your money for another currency, right? Forex works the same way but on a much bigger scale. Like for example, you are a Nigerian and you travel to London, let me say London. You can't use naira in London, you use dollars. So you have to use naira to buy dollar. That is foreign exchange and it's like forex trading because that's the same thing we do. We traders buy and sell currencies to make a profit from price changes. What do we mean by that? We buy, let me say we buy Euro USD. We buy dollars, let me put it plain, we buy dollars expecting that dollars price is going to rise maybe from 1 5 let me say 1 5 naira to, let me say 2 5. We sell when it's the price decreases. So we buy when the price of the currency increases and we sell when the price is decreasing. Okay, it's the largest financial market in the world. It is the largest financial market in the world, open 24 hours a day for 5 days of the week. That is, it's open 24 hours, which is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Saturday and Sunday our resting days. That means no matter your time zone, you can trade. No matter the way you are located, maybe not in Nigeria, maybe in other countries, you can trade as far Monday to Friday. Then we have the next topic, which is how Forex works. In Forex, currencies are always traded in pairs. There is a base currency and a quote currency. For example, Euro USD means you are buying Euro and you are selling US dollar. Euro USD. As you can see in the screen, you are buying Euro, which is EUR, and you are selling USD dollar. So when you are buying, let me say you are buying Euro now, you are automatically selling. Not that you are initially placing the trade, but when you place a trade to buy Euro, you are automatically selling USD. And when you place a trade to buy USD, you're automatically selling Euro. Okay, if the price goes up, the base currency Euro strengthens, like it has strength, it's strong. If the price goes up, the base currency Euro, so in a pair, if the price goes up, the base is strong, and if it comes down, the base is weakened. The base currency weakens when the price comes down. So basically, you are always predicting which currency will go up or down compared to another. We are always predicting as a trader which currency will go up or down compared to another. Currency pairs. There are 3 types of currency pairs you need to know. We have the major pairs. These are the most traded, like Euro USD, GPUSD, USD JPY. They are stable and beginner friendly. They have USD. They always have USD inside of them. So they are the major pairs. They are true. They are like what we trade the most, and they are beginner friendly. They are easy to understand and trade. Then we have minor pairs that don't include USD, like Euro GPP, Euro JPY, and stuff like that. Exotic pairs, this involve a major currency and a smaller one like USD Tri or Euro SEC. For beginners, I would advise that you stick to the major pairs. Yeah, because they are beginner friendly and they are easy to analyze and understand. So you stick to the major pairs, please. So let's move on to key forex terms. Here are some terms you will hear a lot in forex trading. We have pips. the smallest price movement a currency can make. Pips is an acronym, PIP, for point in percentage. It's is how the market is calculated, how the price of the market moves is what we call pips. We have lot, standard trading size. We have leverage, borrowed money that lets you trade bigger positions, but be careful, it can increase losses too. So leverage is just like the broker borrowing you a certain amount, so that it's not like borrowing it into your account to be as your capital, but it's borrowing you so that you can control, because the higher your capital, the higher your profit. So it will be like imagination capital. It will add it so that you can be able to control maybe $100. You cannot, there's some certain amount you cannot control, but by the time they turn that your $100 to 10,000, imaginary, you can control up to $100, $20 risk and all those things. So that is leverage. But the thing is that the higher your leverage, the higher your losses, also the higher your profits. But if you have losses, you cry, you heartbreak. Then we have spread, the difference between buying and selling price. Buying and selling price are not always the same. Buying price can be 1,000, selling price can be 1,2. So they are not always the same. So the difference between the buying and the selling price is what we call spread. And brokers are the one who take that difference. Brokers, that's their game. Then long or short. If you hear when traders say long, I want to long this trade, I want to long this market, it means I want to buy this market. There is no big grammar. I want to buy this market, I want to long this market. If you hear when they say I want to short this market, I want to sell this market, it's just a simple slang for forex traders. Then we'll move on to how to open a forex account. The steps we're going to take like 5 steps, as you can see. 1, choose a regulated broker. Choose a broker that is safe in withdrawing. Choose a broker that is safe with security. Choose a broker that will not scam you. It's very vital that you choose a broker before jumping into them. Don't just see any broker online and advertisement and everything, you just decide to participate. No, make sure you go research on them, you do a lot of infos on them. Then we have the step 2, which is register and verify your accounts. You will need an ID. So when you are done with choosing your broker, you are sure that this is the broker you are going to use for those opening of accounts of this forex trading, you will have to open an account. And this account, you need the ID like NIN. And one thing is that if you are younger than 18 years, your NIN or your ID will not be valid. So you can use, if you are younger than 18 years and you want to learn, you can use your parents' phone with their permission. Please use your parents' phone. So you are going to use an ID for opening and verifying your account. Then you deposit funds and start small. Before you deposit small, make sure you have know what you are doing now, because one thing is that demo cannot teach you everything. You must learn with real account, but make sure you know some certain stages of things before you run to a real account. Then download a training platform like MetaTrader 4 or 5. Yeah, MetaTrader 4 or 5. Like 5 is what I use. It's what we use to place trades. Yeah, you log in with your broker, because your broker will give you logins for either of the apps, either MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5. There's what we call CTrader 2, but I've not used that before. So you log in into your MetaTrader 5, and from there you can place trades, and you can place trades. Then start with a demo account. Practice before risking real money, like what I said. Practice before risking real money and start with a demo account. So as I said, demo account will not teach you everything, but make sure you start with it. It's compulsory, because you will lose money if you say that you just start immediately with real account. Then you are planning to use your parents inheritance to trade forex, your school fees to trade forex. No, start with demo, learn some things with demo before you go to the real account. Then we have the next subtopic, which is why forex trading is popular. Why do you think forex trading is popular? Forex is popular because it has high liquidity, easy to buy or sell currencies anytime, anytime, open 24/7. No, 24/5, sorry. It's open 24/5 because it's not 24/7. It's open 24/5. Yeah. Flexible trading hours. It's open for 24/5. So we have just 2 days to rest and prepare for another 5 days. Then it has leverage, trade bigger positions with small capital. Then we have profit potential. You can make money whether prices go up or down. You don't have to wait that, okay, price will just go up, that's the only way I can make money, or price will have to come down first, that's the only way I can make money. You can make money in both ways. Price is going up, oh, price is going down, oh, you are making money as far you know what you are doing. Then the next of important tips for beginners, which is the next subtopic. Before you start trading for real, make sure you learn first with a demo account. Always practice with a demo account first of all before you go into the real market. Start small, risk only 1%. Normally they will say risk 1 to 2% per trade, but beginners, please risk just 1%. You will thank me later. Stick to your plan and avoid emotional trading. Avoid revenge trading. Avoid stabbing your trading plan back. You have already analyzed that this market is going to sell because you saw it spiking up. Now you decide to buy, follow it, then you start crying back to me and say you blown your account. Avoid it. Prevention is better than cure. Focus on 1 to 2 pairs first. Don't overwhelm yourself. Like me, I trade just one pair. It's better you trade one pair and be, if you see trade, you trade. If you see entries, you trade. If you don't see, you sleep, you rest, you do other things. It's better than like that than to have many pairs. You see entries but they later go against you and end up, it's better your capital is there not doing anything and growing small than to be going down then peace. Always use a stop loss to protect your account. Always do not let it not be something that you will take one day on, one day off. Always, I repeat, always, I repeat again, always use a stop loss. And that is a wrap for the forex trading basics for today. If you find this video very helpful, please like and subscribe because it doesn't bite, and please comment because in our next videos I will be dealing on the strategy. I will analyze a beginner friendly strategy and I will analyze. So comment the pairs you want me to analyze, or comment the pairs you are most interested in and I will analyze it in my next video. So see you guys next.